What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on your troy-bilt, MTD, or similar snowblower. The first thing you're going to want to do is put down your oil drain pan. In my case, it's a little bit wide, so I need to prop it up on these ramps, and then I put a bucket up in the front to tilt it back a little bit. Then on the back of the machine, locate the oil drain plug and remove it with a 10mm socket or wrench. Once the oil has drained completely, reinstall the oil drain plug and tighten it back up. But do not over tighten it, just tighten it up snugly. Then remove the dipstick and insert your funnel. Then start filling it with oil. In my case, it calls for 5W30 and I use a full synthetic. Once you put in the recommended amount of oil, you can then remove the funnel and then insert the dipstick and check to see what the oil level is. And if it's filled correctly, it should be right at the top of the hash marks. You can then reinstall the dipstick and fire it up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other snowblower videos and all my other maintenance videos. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.